We already discussed about projects and programs. Now let us try to understand operations. The key thing about operations is that it is ongoing in nature. The projects were temporary in nature. Projects had start date and end date, whereas operations are ongoing in nature. And operations deliver standard products and services, whereas projects deliver unique products or services. And operations are also constrained by the limited resources of time, cost, and the output standards. And operations are managed by operations managers. So all manufacturing, most of the manufacturing comes under operations. We do the same thing again and again, shift after shift. So running an hospital is a operation, whereas constructing an hospital is a project. Constructing a factory is a project, whereas running that factory becomes an operation. Still, operations are constrained by time, cost, and output, because even in manufacturing, we have production planning and control, we have shift wise targets. So, within and the shift durations, and every shift we must produce this much at this cost. So, all those targets are there even for operations. The key is it is ongoing in nature and the output is a standard deliverable. That is the fundamental difference. Now, how projects connected to operations? Now, if a client has given us an order to construct a factory for the client, so we build the factory, and at the end of the project, we will have to transfer it or hand it over to the operations team. So there is a handshake with the operations team at the end of the projects. So to make this phase very smooth, we must engage with the operations team well in advance so that the transition of the final product or facility from the projects team to the operations team becomes a cakewalk. So, as a project manager, one need to be very proactive uh, in this particular aspect of project management. I hope you understood the difference and the similarities between projects and operations. Projects output is unique, definite start date, end date, temporary in nature, whereas operations output is standard, ongoing in nature. If you are working in operations, the advantage is your job is secured because you are required. The same stuff happens again and again and again. Whereas if you are working in projects, uh, when the project is on, you are in demand, but at the end of the project, you will be either sitting on the bench or you will be moving on to the next project. So thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope the concept becomes very clear to you. And if you have any doubts, please post it as a comment to this video. I will clarify those doubts. Thank you.